In this video, I would like to show you how to solve compound inequalities. This is part 3. If you didn't watch part 1 and 2, you may need to get back to that first to get this. Now, in the previous video, just a quick recap, we have learned if you have 2x is less than 6, and you want to solve this, you divide by 2, and you will end up having x is less than 3. And then, to represent this, bring the number line, and this is 3 here. Less than 3, we start at 3 itself, and we go to the smaller numbers. And I've also said, if you have equal sign here, you will need to shade here. Why? Because 3 is part of the solution. X is equal to 3 or less than 3. That's why we shade. So if there is no equal sign, then we just don't shade. We make it like a circle. And we also, in the previous video, solved something like 2x minus 1 is less than 5, and we represented that. So you can go back to those videos first if you don't fully know the inequalities. Now let's start. To solve this, we will first try to get only x in the middle here. We don't want to see this 3 anymore, and we don't want to see that's 4. So we just want x in the middle. So what I will do is I will do minus 3 on all sides. This will help me cancel this 3. Now what do I have? On the left side, I have 7 minus 3, which is 4. And then it's less than or equals. The 3 is cancelled, so I just have 4x. And it's less than. 23 minus 3 is 20. Now, I still don't want to see the 4. So what I will do is I'll divide everything by 4. Everything is divided by 4. Now, 4 divided by 4 is 1. It's less than or equals to. This is cancelled, so we have just x. Oh goodness. So this is just x, and this is less than. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Now, this is our solution. How to represent this? Let's draw the nice number line down here. I always tell my students to read it from the x. Start reading it from here. So this is how you read it. X is less than 5. So let's say this is 5 here. X is less than 5. That means we start at 5 and we go there because x is less than 5. And then read again from the middle. X is more than or equals to 1. So let's represent the 1 here. And x is more than or equals to 1. Since it's equals, we shade this. And more than 1 is this way. And this is our nice inequality. We did represent it. You will get it correct if you start reading it from x. Now let's look at this question here, the other question. Now we have minus 4 is less than 2x plus minus 8 is less than 10. Let's quickly solve this. So similarly, I'll want to get rid of the negative 8 and the 2. So I'll do plus 8, plus 8, plus 8, y to cancel this. So on the left side, we have minus 4 plus 8. This is just like 8 minus 4. So you can bring the negative after here. So you can do 8 minus 4. So it's just 4. It's less than 2x only because the 8 is gone. It's less than or equals to 10 plus 8 is 18. Now that's very good. We got rid of the negative 8. Let's do divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. So that will give me 4 divided by 2 is 2, is less than 2x divided by 2. The 2 will cancel, so we'll have just x is less than or equals to 18 divided by 2 is 9. We solved it. Now let's represent it in a number line. This is our nice number line. We have 9 here, and we have 2 there. You don't need to use a ruler, just do it. Now, we read it from the middle. Let's read this side. X is less than or equals to 9. So this is the 9. It's included because of the equal sign here, because of this sign. Less than 9, we go this way. Let's read it again from the middle. On the other side, x is more than 2. So this is 2 here. And x, oh, it's not included. That's a very big mistake. So it's x is more than 2, so it's going this way. And that's our nice solution. So this is how to solve such inequalities. Now, if you do have a question, please ask in the comments. If you don't, solve this homework. Minus 6 is less than or equals to 3x plus 6 is less than 8. Oh, that's okay. No, just make it 18. That's easier. And that's all. Bye.